Escort radar detectors use GPS to display your vehicle's speed. Inaccuracies typically stem from GPS signal issues, not the radar detection itself. Factors like weak satellite signals, interference from buildings or weather, and improper initial setup can all cause your detector to display an incorrect speed. Outdated firmware can also contribute to this issue. GPS calibration is crucial for accurate speed readings on your Escort radar detector. GPS calculates speed by tracking how your position changes over time using signals from satellites. This satellite-based system provides precise location data that your detector uses to determine your vehicle's speed. To ensure accuracy, calibration aligns the detector's GPS readings with your vehicle's actual speedometer. Most Escort models include a calibration mode where you drive at a known speed and make corrections through the Escort Live app. This process accounts for factors like satellite signal variations or environmental interference. The calibration process involves three main steps. First, enter calibration mode on your detector. Second, drive at a known speed, such as 60 miles per hour on a straight road. Third, use the Escort Live app to input any necessary corrections based on your vehicle's actual speedometer reading. This helps achieve the target accuracy of plus or minus 1 mile per hour under ideal conditions. Several factors can throw off your Escort detector's speed readings. Satellite signal blockage from tunnels or dense foliage, multipath interference where signals bounce off buildings, and incorrect antenna placement are common culprits. Even atmospheric conditions and ionospheric delays can have a minor impact. Knowing these potential error sources is the first step to resolving them. The easiest way to fix speed inaccuracies is through the Escort Live app. This mobile application connects to your Escort detector and provides tools for calibration and updates. First, open the Escort Live app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Settings or Tools menu and select the Calibration Wizard option. This will start the guided calibration process. The app will guide you to drive at a constant 30 miles per hour on a straight, level road. Maintain this speed steadily for about 1 minute while the detector calibrates. During this process, the app compares the detector's GPS-measured speed with your vehicle's actual speedometer reading. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the match or make adjustments. To achieve optimal accuracy, repeat the entire calibration process at a higher speed, such as 60 miles per hour. This dual-speed approach ensures your detector reads correctly across various driving conditions. Escort regularly releases firmware updates that improve GPS accuracy and address known bugs. Ensure your detector is running the latest firmware, v2.4.1 or later, via the Escort Live app. These updates often include enhanced algorithms and auto-calibration features that minimize signal anomalies. A 2025 update reduced reported inaccuracies by 40%. If simple calibration and firmware updates don't resolve the speed inaccuracy, try a cold start reset. This involves powering off the device completely for 10 minutes to clear any cached GPS data. For persistent speed inaccuracies, particularly in urban environments with tall buildings, consider installing an external GPS antenna. This provides a stronger, more reliable signal to improve accuracy. Studies with delivery fleets in New York City showed that external antennas reduced erroneous readings by 65%. Many Escort users have successfully resolved speed issues through calibration and software updates. One user on the Escort forum fixed an 8 to 12 mile per hour discrepancy after updating firmware and performing a manual calibration after experiencing dense fog. Another user fixed a persistent 5 miles per hour overread issue on their Max 360C by performing a cold start reset and updating to the latest firmware, highlighting the importance of software maintenance. These cases illustrate the effectiveness of these methods. The future of radar detector accuracy lies in AI and integration with vehicle systems. Adaptive calibration, where detectors learn from your driving patterns to self-correct inaccuracies, is becoming increasingly common. Expect to see detectors paired with dash cams and ADAS systems using shared GPS data for cross-verification of speed measurements. By 2030, fully autonomous calibration using 5G connectivity and quantum-enhanced GPS is predicted to reduce human error to near zero, providing unprecedented accuracy. Stay tuned for even more accurate and reliable speed readings as technology continues to evolve.